Okay, welcome back. So we would like to find derive the other two from the first two, right? So we understand this is the definition of A, really, just rearranged. This is the definition of average velocity, just rearranged. All right, so now to derive 3, we want to eliminate which variable? We want to eliminate the V variable. So, well, V is U plus AT, so let's just substitute right in here, right? So S equals to U plus V, so V is U plus AT over 2 times T, right? Like this, right? So I'm just substituting this as V, and then now let's expand this. So U plus AT, so that's 2U plus AT divided by 2 times T. Let's multiply, oops, 2U, and then multiply, let's divide by 2 first. So 2U divided by 2 is, you can also pull the 2 out, whatever way you like. So I'll simplify the things in the parentheses first. So U plus half AT, right? And just multiply the T in. You have UT plus half AT squared. Okay, done. All right. So see if you can close this and reproduce this. I'll do 4 as well. And 4 is to eliminate T. Okay, we'll start again from the same of these two and eliminate T. So we need to first make T the subject. So we'll isolate out the T, right? So let's do V minus, so equation 1 implies, this means implies U, V minus U divided by A, that's T, right? So equation 2 will now tell me S is U plus V over A times T, which is V minus U over A, right? So I'm taking this T, plugging in here, okay? So, oops, divide by 2, A, right? Okay, so let's multiply the 2A to this. I have 2AS, we're getting close, right? We have 2AS over here. And what's left? I have U plus V and V minus U, okay? You can expand those parentheses, expand those brackets out, and you should get V squared minus U squared, right? Double check that yourself. And now you can see, if I put the U over here, I get V squared equals to U squared plus 2AS. Okay, simple elimination. And you will, if I don't break my office, you will get the answers over there. All right, give that a try. This is all that you need to know. And the only thing left is to try to use this in practice and able to solve problems. And this is a very easy way to do. I might add a couple of videos to show you other problems as well. But essentially, that's all the concept you need. All right. So see you in the next lecture, and good luck.